While they started out as a minor project, the Bored Apes Yacht Club has become one of the most powerful forces in the metaverse. And it is nowhere more apparent than with their own cryptocurrency, Ape Coin. What is Ape Coin's future, and what plans does the mastermind behind it have going forward? Well, let's find out. From the formation of an entire authority just to control the coin, real-world companies starting to accept the coin as payment, and now with a whole metaverse platform built around the coin called the Otherside, it looks like Ape Coin might become the next big coin in no time. But before we can talk about the coin itself, let's talk about the platform it's meant to serve, the Otherside Metaverse. Now, remember how we mentioned the Bored Apes Yacht Club? Well, you might know them for producing those profile photos and stuff for NFTs, but as it turns out, the company behind the project, Yuga Labs, has much bigger plans. And at the heart of those plans is the MMORPG online space known as Otherside. This is a game that the company has been developing for quite some time that'll serve as their intro into the quickly expanding metaverse. And while it is not out yet, with stuff like 200,000 unique plots of land, thousands of unique items and characters, and the ability to create your own structures, services, and minigames within the game's digital world, let's just say that things are looking pretty good for the project. That being said, it takes more than just that to run a game that can properly function as a digital version of the real world. For that, you need a currency system, so you can buy and sell the items in the game. And that's where the Ape Coin comes in. So let's talk about that, shall we? Ape Coin, or as it's known by its token name, Ape, is the digital cryptocurrency planned to be used for the Otherside Metaverse. But at the same time, it's so much more than that. First off, unlike other coins that try to build their own blockchain, the Ape Coin is based on the already existing Ethereum blockchain, which allows it to keep updated and secure far more than any independent coin could. But the real things that make Ape Coin so important is its versatility and the role that it'll play in how the Otherside meta and the things around it work. So let's talk about exactly what makes the Ape Coin so damn important. Now, the thing that makes Ape Coin so different from the rest of the coins that are used by other metaverse projects is not just that it is based on a public platform, it's also the fact that it is controlled publicly, meaning that Yuga Labs, the company behind Otherside, won't be the ones controlling it. Instead, decisions on how to run the coin will be made by a DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization, called Ape Coin DAO, and it'll be headed by a board elected by holders of Ape Coin, regardless of whether they actually play Otherside or not. Even right now, the board of the Ape Coin DAO is headed by non-Yuga Labs people, like Reddit co-founder Alex Onion, Amoka Brands chairman Yatsui, and FTX's head of gaming, Amy Wu. What this means is that not only is the coin much fairer than other coins, but it has the potential to be used in applications other than just Otherworld, which is something we'll get into after we tell you about the next thing that makes Ape Coin so important, its distribution. Normally, whenever a coin comes out for an application like Otherworld, it is distributed to a few core members and everyone else has to buy it to get it started. And that is one of the reasons it takes so long for many coins to take off. But in the case of the Ape Coin, since it had the backing of Yuga Labs, they were able to launch it to thousands of users for absolutely free. This not only called a lot of attention to the already pretty famous game, but with over 93 million tokens worth over $810 million out in the market right now, it has opened up Ape Coin to become one of the fastest growing and most widely usable coins out there. As of right now, almost all major coin exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Huobi, Kraken, Bybit, and FTX, and real-life companies around the world have also started accepting Ape Coin as genuine payment. Not just that, but it looks like the coin is gonna be popular among other crypto projects as well. Just a few months ago, crypto game maker Amoka Brands announced plans to integrate Ape into a secret project that it is developing with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And all of that combined with how important the coin is to the Otherworld game, allowing the game to have a potentially full-fledged economy, it is not hard to see how the coin could become massive in the future. Click on any one of the two videos on your screen right now. We'll catch you guys in the next one.